Alright guys, so quick update. We are now tile shopping. Yay! And you know, can I give us a little bit of bubble in our stomach because we are really happy to reach this stage now, and we just want to find the right thing, right? So just another update. We found some wall tiles for the bathroom, and we are looking for two different tiles. We want an accent wall, and the accent wall we're looking for, we actually want it to be in the shower area where the window is, right? So we're looking at this particular tile right here as a viable option for
so you would tile the whole shower area with this?
Well, not the whole shower area, just that one accent wall. What do you think though?
I don't mind it. It looks nice. We got some tiles from Tile City. It's like we saw a set of tiles that we liked. The thing is,
they're out.
They were. Wait, no, the one we'll buy actually. Yeah, we got a set of tiles. They were nice, and it was like the last set. So we get a 60% discount if we bought the last bunch, and we did that.
Yeah.
You get me? I say so 60% discount and some porcelain tiles for the wall. Those for the rest of the bathroom, but the shower area, we haven't got the tiles yet. Alright, so
yeah,
we are here, we are considering
this one. So I like this because it gives me a little blue vibes. I like that. But look over here as well, because these, especially this, these two could actually match as well. So, and this has a little pattern on it, and this could be the coat.
Yeah, I like this for the shower.
You like this?
This match the tile better. I never even see this. This match the other tile better. So we can probably tile out the whole bathroom, the shower style with this.
Would you use this pattern, or you use this for the accent one and this for the other? It's the same.
Oh, I get what you're
This is
saying.
out of stock.
Oh my God, the red. Oh my God, that is out of stock. Jeez. Oh my God.
Sad face.
Yeah.
Sad face.
So if you look on the wall, if you look here, a lot of them red tag.
Yeah.
A lot of them red tag. A lot of them are already sold out. You get me? But yeah.
I have another question for you.
Yeah.
Are we going to change? So the tile that we're going to buy for the floor is going to run through and come into the bathroom. But are we going to carry that same tile into the bathroom, the shower area, or are we going to
we need floor tile for the shower itself, because you know in the gap can get slippery. So we need different tile for the shower.
Okay. So I mean, are we going to go mosaic?
For the wall.
For the floor.
For the floor. I don't know, because I think about they looking dirty. That's my major concern. You know, all of them are sold out, remember?
Yeah.
Yep.
So we don't want it to be too slippery and stuff like that. It can't be the shiny tile right here. Alright.
What do you think about this?
The pattern, alright, but I'm afraid of this because the first thing I saw it, I was like, is it dirty? That's the first thing that came to my mind. So I'm like, no.
You like all down here, so
yeah? I'm like, oh, that question coming to my mind is not good.
Yeah.
Because somebody's gonna have that thought too, you know what I mean? But what do you think about something like this for the immediate floor?
Which floor?
The shower area.
Yeah. We can probably get some inspiration from the shower they have down there. They have some showers down there now. We can get some inspiration from that.
Okay. And even that over there is
nice.
in a good pattern.
I like this. I like this. I like that for the shower.
And these two.
Oh
in
yeah.
a really nice pattern.
Yeah. Have a vibe, man. Have a vibe.
I would love to get something that matches this. If I get something like this, that would be really nice. That will match.
Yeah, that, yes.
Yes, like that gold, it will really match the tile that we got. So we're going to show you that tile.
Yeah. These are the doors that we're thinking to go for the interior.
Yeah.
You know?
The bedroom and the bathroom door, we're thinking of getting something like this We want the wood color, right, babe?
Yeah. So what do you think about this? These styles.
I like black and white, but I don't like it.
Okay.
So, not that. Oh, come on, look at this.
Oh, so
Have we seen this? This is what, mosaic?
some small tiles.
Or like individual tiles?
It looks
or
so.
come like mosaic?
We'll have to ask.
We have to ask. Because this could work, you know. This style right here, so this could work. And we could do like top bottom. It could work from on the way down.
Should we tile them here?
Here. So this is the one that I was showing you before. So I was saying this should be the back, like the back splash or whatever. The part where the window is, we'll definitely put this. And then we'll put these on the side, like this. And this is the one that we saw again that Adrian really loved and I like it too.
But they're sold
the
out.
bigger piece is sold out. But we like the mosaic from the ground. This mosaic tile on the ground is nice. I like it.
It looks good. It looks good, man. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah.
Old fashion can come in. It should have to be surrounded by something really modern. Like everything is modern and then they have this though.
This as a backsplash for the kitchen.
Yes, and it kind of match in real, you know? And it expensive to know 5,999.
Wow, a dear man. Yeah man, so we're there today. We actually pick up the tiles that we told you that we got on discount, 60% discount. So we gobble them fast because that's some nice porcelain tile. But because as I said, it's the last set, we get them 60% off and we take everything. So we do that.
It actually looked out. We actually looked out because that actually worked for us in the amount that we wanted. But let us go and look again on the thing I wanted. So Adrian actually saw a porcelain tile that he likes, and he likes it for more than one reasons. The price and how it looks.
Yeah.
I like this more. But
so what do you think about this one?
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, look good though.
Yeah. This one nice too, you know.
Yeah.
This one nice.
This is nice too, right?
Yeah, this is nice too.
Guys, we taste go with the price, you know. We taste go with the price. So we have to make sure
we are here calculating.
Yeah, make sure say within our budget and then we can know if we really like it or not.
Alright, babe, make we calculate the square footage like what we did.
Alright, so take the photos off. Take the photo of this and this and bring it to the counter. Right? Yeah, I hear the lady I say.
What do you think about this?
It's kind of small.
It's small. It definitely smaller than this one.
So we can still do some measurements to see. We can check it out. See that one here? Yeah, we can check them out. They're nice.
And this is more costly.
Wow.
But it's actually
but it's
bigger.
Huge. Yes.
Bigger.
Let us check the price. Let us check the price. But it's more than.
And that one here.
But you know, say it's not economical because the price is more than double, almost 3 times that one. But the size not triple. So this will work out there.
This is that one here.
There, yeah. So it's all more up here, so too nice. $9.99 if all remaining stock is purchased. How much for it? $9.99. So why them? So what's the original price? Oh, they want to try to trick people? Alright, we're gonna check the price on this store, eh? Yeah, alright.
At the moment I'm calling a vinyl company. Did I say it right?
Vinyl.
Vinyl. I say it wrong. But at the moment I'm trying to call about 2 or 3 vinyl companies in Jamaica just to get quotations on that to see if that really makes sense. because if vinyl and tiles, to buy the tiles are the same amount of money, I think we are going to go with the vinyl. At the same time, we are trying to find cheap tiles that could work. So we actually found one that is what, like $1,199, and then we found this which is actually $99.
$9.99. Like $1,000, yeah.
And we found this one too.
Yes.
Which actually both are not bad.
Right.
Both are actually not bad. They're really nice. And I like this a little bit more than this one, but then this one nice too. So I kind of upscotching.
Yeah.
And we got as Adrian said, we got tiles for the bathroom walls. So we're gonna be walking around with that big old tile there. And we're gonna be matching it up. Because all the tiles, this is gonna be the floor tile is gonna run right throughout the house into the bathroom as well. So we want it to be a tile that can basically move through motion.
Alright, so we're gonna put something into perspective, alright? So last night I was doing a bit of calculation. This tile, it looks really nice. For our square footage inside, 850 square foot at this price, we're looking for about $400,000 worth of tile. This one.
Yeah.
That's just the floor alone. Remember the wall and included, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? So
we got wall tiles already, which was super cheap.
Yeah.
But that means that we add the wall tiles with, and then we haven't gotten the tile for the shower stall yet and the flooring. So that we are looking at least at 200, can be 300,000 articles. Expensive. It's probably you got the other day.
Yeah. So the thing is, so what going guys, hear the thing now. A lot of some of the tiles, what they do is they might give you, if you buy everything, they give you additional discount. You have 40% discount if you buy everything. But yeah, if you buy everything, you get a 40% discount. If not, a 30% discount. But even so, this price is pretty expensive. $4,600 for this, so we can't do it. You know?
Alright, thanks.
Yep. So we're picking up these are for the walls. Them dirty already, so them can wipe off. Okay. Alright, so the walls in the bathroom these for. No. Alrighty, so we're gonna pick them up. Already clear out.
Check 5.
Yeah. Why my peeps? We didn't even stop to eat today. We can't step on our diet, so we just a double check say this is the one without food. We're not even meat you not put tonight.
No meat you not put tonight. So what kind of
mix up the order completely cause
what degree of meanness is this? Not even little peas in the night appear so water me get.
Yeah. Yeah guys, so guess what? Day 2 are up and down for tile shopping. And the roughest part like this, they're telling you, roughest part this.
For real. Crazy. Very crazy. Not this is what we're eating, not any factor your body any harm. But keep us out interested, I pray.
The roughest part this man, trust me. Because guess what? Several things. You go to the tile place them. You see some tile where you like, you check it out, the tile out of stock. Them not have enough. And a pay problem.
Yeah.
Pay problem. Where they not have basically all of the affordable good option them gone, leave all expensive one them.
Yeah.
You get me? And that go on most of the tile, all of the tile place them, everywhere you go the same thing. You know, out of stock them soon get new stock and a beer that go on.
Yep. That's it. It's rough. And you want the place to have a certain look, a certain feel, and the idea that you're going for. Apparently they're very popular because the people them are going for their idea there. And the stocks are sold out. Sold out. Totally sold out.
So just up an island grill, getting some soup, right? Some jerk as well.
Try to bust the gas. People it rough. Tell me, like, was this your shopping experience with tiles? It's just been rough. It's just been rough. Yeah. Frustrated. Adrian frustrated. Me frustrated. My foot them tired. My back tired. Adrian foot tired. Adrian back tired.
Yeah, man, tell her, you know, easy.
Day 2 of shopping for tiles. Everything sold out. And we brought the tile that we got initially.
Sit here. So go pick up the tile now.
Careful. So we got tiles. At least we got doors. So we got doors for the inside, the inside of the house, the inner doors. We got that. And
Right, 6 doors.
Yes. Adrian was like, let's buy the doors because I feel like the door is done. The last time we saw those doors was $10,000 for one. Now it's $13,090.
13,900.
900. Okay. Yesterday we were there and we're looking for the tiles as well. Although we had the invoice, we didn't pay for it yet. Store a lot before we could have paid for it. So we went back today. We will go back today to buy the doors. Then we have check and do queries. We almost never get the doors because the doors them are so
I sell out. Probably the last to get.
Yeah. Yeah.
From festival. One thing, I love Island Grill Festival. They're nice, you know?
Not yet, please. Rough, man, it's rough. And for the bathroom tiles, we got these super cheap. Like, we totally appreciate the deal that we got on these. And we're trying to find other tiles to compete the minimal. Like, we have tiles right here to cover most of the wall in the bathroom. And we're just trying to find tiles to cover like probably 1/3 of the bathroom,
yeah.
And is like 3 to 4 times the amount of money that we paid for these. We are see out there.
That's true.
Let us know in the comment section, guys, what was your experience buying tiles? If you've got into this section before us, what was your experience? What was your quick fix? Or how did you get around this? Look at this rough. Make we know.
Battery running out. Alright, so we're gonna shut off from right here, so go home, charge up, you know, and
stay tuned.
Come in, my boy. Come in, my boy. Say hello. Come here. Come here. Hey. Let me eat it on them. Put on their pants. 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 Uncle Rubo. Hey. Are we going outside? We go outside? I wanna know your boy about it, boy. Hey, bro.
2 kids.
Finally get for me baby Kyrie, you know? Is it? Finally get for me baby Kyrie.
2 kids, everything.
Very nice baby, you know? And him know over never get the tablet too easy. Oh yeah, say man, yeah. I take him no time, yeah. They're taking no time to learn it.
So watch it.
It's him switch it? It's him change it, yeah. They must scroll. Push. Yeah. Alright. Man, I come link with and when you know say with the pound construction things, I have to come get P side, you see it? Yeah, so we did a rapid, we did order some sink, wash tub, you know, and online and things. I remember online sales, so actually I come pick them up. So yeah, we just go inside, get the I don't know what you call this, performer invoice or whatever. So we're going on the delivery area for the tub now, you know? Yeah, man.
Let's do it. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are the legs?
Yeah. Alright, so easy with transport actually then. Easy to.
Yes. I thought I'm on a busy boy.
Never mind about the video. That man don't care about the video.
Yeah, alright. All this way. Yeah.
Yeah, we're back.
Alright. Awesome.
Yes.
Have you signed too?
Yes.
Pay bureaucracy and yellow tape, red tape, purple tape.
Pink tape.
Yeah.
So you sign anywhere on that one.
Yeah, man. They are fine how long and yeah, man, have to come get some stress too, man. I mean.
Road.
Get to work.
Road. No mind.
So as we were into floor tile, we found one that we really like over this side, and it's this one. So we're saying we could use this on the floors, and we could use this on the patio, and the prices for these are okay, and still within our budget for those two areas. So we still need tiles for the bathroom.
I like these. These are for the floors, we say. Them matte, them rough. You know, these are nice and the prices are not bad.
Yeah.
Right? So we can go with these.
I like this though, but I like that one more. This one. So we're thinking of using a wood theme for the bathroom. You know, that brown, nice, rich wood color. And if we do that, we can use this on the floors. But I like this one more. This one to show you first. Because we're using grey tiles and that has some amount of grey in it, and then we're using the brown on the walls, and I think that will match it a bit better. Guys, these are some other options. So I like this one up here, so but it's not yet here, it's coming soon. And what we have to look at when we're tile shopping is we have to look at the price per square feet, because that will really tell us how affordable it is. So we're looking for something in the 300 square feet. 300, like probably like this one, 338, but we don't like any in that region, as Adrian said.
You see when me a shop, I don't know if I like something till I look on the price. After I look on the price, I don't know if I like it or not. So me shop. You understand? So I see something and the price don't look good, I like it. I like it. Me tell her, yeah.
Well, for me, I will still like it, but let's see if we can get it or not. You know, we have to work with if we can get it or not. Oh, this is not bad. What is this floor? So, like the rough ones are typically for the floor, and the smooth ones are more likely for the walls. And they also tell you on it, they say floor, and the rough ones are always for the floor. So, what that's I think is for the wall. This is floor. So we haven't yet found anything that we want to work with, but we did find some wood tiles in another store that we might get for the walls in the bathroom. So yeah, but we still need something for the borders.
Oh yes, we need to check out that right now.
We need something for the borders.
Yeah.
So even if we're going to go with that wood finish on the walls in the bathroom, we still need a border and something for the niche. Yeah. Alright, so we're going with wood color theme for the walls. Ooh, what about this one?
You see the next thing, it's the next one tile shopping in a Jamaica. You don't know if you like something till you look if it's red tag or not. You see all of them here? You know, so you can't like them because them don't have it. They open display still, but them don't have it.
Yeah.
So just make sure that them have enough stocks. You see, you can't find yourself a waste of time. You know? Yeah, man.
So I want something that will match the wood and we're blending back with this on the wall.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a little bordering. So you think about this? Put this close to that, see this will pop. So this will be like a little
this
border.
Expensive though, you know. This have a right through, so I cut this thin.
Yeah,
but it's expensive though, babe. $1,400 each. So this I put $2,000 each.
So much you would need for like a border piece. And you wouldn't be like a little ribbon thing, it would just be like separating this style and the bathroom tile and then going in the niche.
So you don't want like one strip?
Yeah, basically so 3 of them. So like right here so could
but
be
this
like
really cut straight in and cut like that. So it's hard to cut the tile to fit this. So that's an issue. We don't rather have something where
we can cut evenly. Okay. Alright, that makes sense too.
Yeah.
That makes sense too. Yeah, so we
Alright,
have an
so
inspiration
something
that
like
we're
that.
working with. Something like that we're working with.
And then we kind of go match
That with this.
right.
At the side, so this is gonna be
So
the wall.
the wood is in the shower, would have been in the shower, and this are the wall for the rest of the bathroom. Right, so we want a border to go in between, right?
A nice border to go in between. So basically we're just trying to see if, you know, if this will pop.
But we have said this kind of look close, too close.
And this too far.
And this, yeah, this is just too much.
Waiting, black?
Alright.
Black could have worked, but then this not straight neither.
Oh,
Or
yeah,
you would have
it
cut
never work.
Yeah.
You can't bother with that, yeah.
Yeah. And this, I don't think that should give us enough of a style.
Yeah, too plain.
Yeah, too plain. So, we're still on the hunt. Alright guys, so this is the tile right here.
Yes.
One box of it.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to really show y'all.
Yeah.
Right? But we got these in Kingston. I want to tell you to say it was a struggle to find these kind of wood grain porcelain tiles that we were looking for in the right shade and the right budget. That's important because guess what? They're out here, you know, but the affordable price point on them sell off already. You get me? So, we'll probably want to tile this place and want to stagger it. Alright, so what we have to do is kind of like so. You get me? Extension cord. Hey, this is what you call a construction site, you know. Yes, man. So, bam, bam, bam. You know? I kind of like so. But one, if we have one more, I'm going to put to the side right there so if we get a better look. But one box, 4 tiles come in a box.
Yeah.
4 tiles to a box. You know, so these are porcelain tiles. Tile. Oh, I'm going to show now.
The wall tiles.
Yeah, we'll show you some of the bathroom wall tiles that we got as well.
Yeah.
You understand, see me? With their prime. With their prime out, so you know where to go.
Alright. So these were actually the first set of tiles that we got.
As you see, plaster work did go on, we just move this.
Yeah.
So these are.
That's going to go on the bathroom wall.
Yes.
It's going to be what our bathroom wall looks like.
Porcelain tiles.
Porcelain again.
Yeah, man.
Porcelains are just harder to get to break and to get
chip.
the little chips and scrape.
Yeah.
Yeah. And remember our doors are here. So we got all of our interior doors. And we got two big ones, 2 smaller ones.
Yeah, so like 32 and And then the 30, I feel like the bathroom.
But I almost never get them.
Yeah.
But then the whole other place, you literally got like the last set that they got, that they had. Because see how yesterday come home and realize right there's some stairs. So
Rub a little bit.
yeah, I like that.
Yeah, so
But yeah, we are going to
porcelain tiles for the bathroom walls.
Yeah.
Not the shower tiles, but the
That's the wall.
walls and outside the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one more time. For the floors, them are really nice. We love them, see? We love them. Love them. So yeah guys, yeah man, so stay tuned as we say. We're fully settled when it comes to the interior doors. We have everything for the inside so far. And we have the porcelain tiles. Things are coming on, right there?
It is, and we just can't wait for everything to be finished. So we can show you, and so we can just be done. Oh my god, I need a break. Woo. I need a break for real. Yeah. But we are going with ourselves.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll see what we got going on here. I can't wait for the floors to be done too, because we just can't stand the plaster on the floors and the ever dirt.
Dusty.
Yes. Most want to get rid of the floors and get it over with.
Yeah, but you know, we have to finish paint.
Yeah.
So when we run out paint, then we can tile. The guy supposed to come in another week for do the tiling.
Yeah.
So quick and fast, lay out them tile, yeah? You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah man. As you see, a major relief getting these tiles. At least we get everything for the floor. When I get the shower tile and the patio tiles.
Yes.
Yet we not get them there yet.
The patio tiles, like I'm not really stressing over that. I think what my major stress is the shower tiles. We have an idea of, we have two ideas that we're working with. We found some tiles that we kind of like, but I have some doubts about it. Mm-hmm. And if I have a doubt, I don't like spending my money.
That's true, man. That's why we don't buy it from the time, you know.
Yeah, because there's a little bit of doubt in it.
True.
So we don't really want to go buy it and then I said, Jesus Christ, we can't use this.
Because again, guys, I tell them the tile shopping, crazy, it's stressful. To me, in building, are the hardest part of it, tile shopping, me not lie. Based on what we experience so far. We not experience with no mason problem and no lean wall and them. We not experience with them something there. But I mean, if the work go good, come straight up.
Yeah, tile shopping.
To me, tile shopping are the hardest part.
Yeah.
Trust me.
It's been time consuming. It's sapped with energy.
Yeah, man.
And a lot of the times when we actually go out in the stores shopping, we come back with nothing.
True, man, because guess what? And I like so we have unlimited budget, we cannot buy.
Yeah.
You understand? We have to shop around and when you find say the affordable option them you don't want to go for, them sell out now for the time. You see me?
For the time it's like it was a little bit short of what we would need for our space. And we have to think about...
Oh, and the quantity too. Sometimes them have, but them not have the quantity we need to cover your space, your surface area.
And sometimes after you're in one store, I say, alright, yeah, this now. You get 3 different tiles, alright, this after that, that after that. You go at the checkout counter, oh, I'm sorry, we just sold in another branch. Wow,
crazy, man.
Yeah, these people forcing us, yo.
Yeah.
Enough construction are going out there, I can tell you that much, because construction material nasty.
True, definitely. Especially the finishing stuff. You know, when you can get block and cement and steel, the finishing things them, when you talk about tile, shower glass, shower enclosure, them someday are stress. You know, but we never made a video too long, you know, we're gonna sign out right here, so.
So guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. Put the setting on all. And give us a thumbs up for this video.
Peace.
Yeah man,
we out guys.